Surprise! Happy birthday, Abuelito! Happy birthday, Uncle!
Happy birthday, Uncle!
Okay.
It's me, Jazz, and
Julia!
and
AJ!
Except for
And
John on bass.
from me.
Jonathan!
Happy
Okay.
birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you
Okay,
too.
Austin, you go
We
first.
love you.
You go first.
What's your message?
We hope that you come to California and when it's your birthday and be safe and have a nice trip back here. We hope that you come back on time. Love you.
What about you, Julia? What can you say to Abuelito?
I hope you have a great trip and I love you. I hope you have a great birthday. I love you. Goodbye.
You know who Abuelito is?
Oh yeah,
He's
that's
my uncle.
yeah, it is her.
You know, he took care of me since I was a little, just like you.
Like when you were 12 years old.
Yeah.
I already knew because I
And
saw
he
you.
would give me money for shopping.
You know how to shop? Even
Yeah.
you were 12?
Yes.
Okay. Happy birthday, Uncle. Matanda na ba yan?
Happy
70?
birthday.
Surprise!
Hi, Uncle. I hope you have a great day and happy birthday. Alam ko, miss na miss mo na ako. Ako rin, miss na kita. Sana sa susunod, pag pumunta dito si Auntie Lorna, sumama ka naman, please. Para magkita tayo. 'Di ba? Para makita mo yung mga cute na po. Okay? I love you and I hope to see you soon at sana hindi ka masyadong malasing ngayong araw na to. Pero,
Everybody look at it.
do you wanna see Abuelito?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we're gonna see Abuelito when we go to the Philippines, right?
Yeah, and we're gonna see Abuelita.
And Abuelita too. And a lot of people in the Philippines.
And at the pit and at the lana.
Even
okay.
Kuya Sean already went to the Philippines.
Okay, so
Bye.
We'll
I
see
hope you
you
enjoy your
soon.
birthday.
And we hope to let you see at the Faith because we're gonna tell her that
Surprise!
we are really gonna tell him.
Okay.
her.
Surprise!
Bye.
bye. We love you.
We love you.
Bye-bye!
And ikain mo ako ha, Kuya Step. Remember, ang compound, paggawa na, para lahat tayo nandun, pag-uwi ko. Miss you. Bye. Love you all.
Bye, I love you.